Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Mentimeter for survey. The first thing you want to do if you don't have an account as yet, you can create one for completely free. After creating your account, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, you have quite a few options. For example, you can choose to use their poll option, or you can ask open-ended questions. But what I would recommend you do, since we want to create a survey, you're going to tap right where you see New Menti, and you're going to tap on the drop-down arrow. Then you're going to tap on New Survey. After selecting New Survey, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you have a few templates that you can choose from. So you can select any one of these templates, whether it is the training feedback survey or a pre-training survey. You could select any one, or you could tap on blank. For this example, I'll select blank. Even though you have selected blank, you have a few options. You can select start from scratch to start completely from scratch, or if you want, you can upload a PowerPoint or a PDF, or you could tap on use a template and you'll see more categories that you can choose from. So you can see that I now have access to different categories or different types of templates that I can select from. So you could select any one of these templates to your liking. But I'm going to be tapping on start from scratch. After selecting start from scratch, from here you have different question types that you can use. For example, if we were to select multiple choice, after selecting multiple choice, you can ask your question at the top. So let's say, for example, the question that I'll be asking is, when was the last time you purchased online? Then you can put your answers or suggested answers right here by tapping right where you see options and going over to the right hand column. For example, you can type in last week, and you can see right there some suggested answers, and you can add more options. If you would like to change the visualization type, you can do that by hovering where you see bar, donut, or pie, or you could choose dots. And by the way, given the type of questions that you're asking, if you would like to suggest an answer as correct or incorrect, you can toggle on choose correct answers and then select the answer that would be correct, or you can toggle it off and leave it as is. After you have asked your questions, you can tap on new slide once more. After selecting new slide, you can select the type of questions that you would like to continue asking, or you could scroll down and you can see different content options that you can add to your slide. So you have different options right here. So we could tap on multiple choice once more, or you could select scales and you could use scales if you want. So there are numerous options that you can choose from. Now after doing this, you can tap on share in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on share, from there you'll be able to copy the link and share it. And once someone goes onto your survey and selects a response, you'll be able to see the results by tapping on results at the top right here. You'll be able to see the results of your survey. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button